Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video we will make uh, the logo about a bird called eagle. So we will make the eagle logo but in black and white colors and negative space style. So this eagle should be drawn in abstract way, so we need to make something like that, but actually we want to make the logo more organic, but at the same time we want to make the logo itself have some geometric element but in subtle way. So we will make the eagle logo using the circle curve. So to make like that, we need to use the ellipse tool in Illustrator. There is an ellipse tool to make a circle. So this is the geometric element of the logo itself. It will create the subtle touch of geometric in the logo, though the logo itself is non-geometric thing. So we will cut this and we make the second one, the circle for the other wing, and we will make this circle a little bigger, something like this, but a little smaller for the cut. Okay, use this shape pathfinder tool minus front. Okay, so after this we will merge this thing to be like a wing. We can arrange like a bird, maybe something like this. I think we need to scale up this part, the bigger part of the circle, and maybe around this. Okay, I think it's enough, and then we can use this tool to break apart all of the intersection of this. This overlapping will be creating we will create a separated parts by using the overlapping edge as the cut line. Okay, we use this tool to make something like that. Divide tools, pathfinder. Okay, after this, okay, we will see something like this, and we can ungroup this and delete the under parts. So we have these two wings, and then now we will make the head of the eagle. So how to make the head? So we need to add the non-geometric parts, which is the head of the eagle itself. We need to double click on this to isolate this shape, and then adding this peak, and okay, maybe something like this. We need to adjust this to form the head of the eagle. I think the head of the eagle should be sharp, so we need to make it a little sharper. Okay, I think we need to make this head to be more aerodynamic. Okay, or we need to make the beak to be larger, because you know the eagle has the beak of the eagle is the main power of the eagle itself. they have the strong beak and beak. Okay, this is the eagle, the big beak, and aerodynamic head. Alright, now we have this eagle in a very simple and clean. Of course, this is very simple, and maybe we can call it clipper logo design. Okay, we will make this thing better. We will use the name. The name is eagle group. Okay, eagle group is maybe this is the name of the company. Eagle Group. This is a consultancy company actually. So we can use a consultant as the underline or tagline. Yes, tagline. Not the tagline. This is the second line that most of the logo name followed by. Okay, maybe we can put the consultant, right? Consultant. Maybe we can expand this to make the logo, to make the words has some kind of extension and more readable, because it's written in a small size, and that's a most common practice in the logo design world, that we need to expand, adding the more of the gap between the letter, and we can call it a kerning. Yes, the kerning is a space between these letters, so we need to consider that in order to have the logo that is very clean and elegant, something like this. Okay, I think we have finished this logo. This is how it looks. I think we need to merge this before claiming that this is a clean logo as a final logo. Okay, we need to fix the proportion, the logo proportion. look at this. This is I think can be the final results of this eagle logo, right? It's very simple and clean, and maybe it can add a trust signal or value for this logo, and I think it fits for the target group of people in professional work. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.